Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to tell you about 3 amazing and completely free AI tools that can turn your text into an impressive images. So let's get started. Go to the website of Piclumen. Link is in the description below. After opening it, click on Generate for free, Continue with Google account. Once you logged in, this interface will appear in front of you. Then go to Creation, paste your prompt. From here, you can enhance your prompt. Then you can also add a reference image. Then select model, so I am using Realistic V2. And from here, select your resolution for your image and hit Generate. So here is the result. The image is really good. And from here, simply download your image.
First of all, search for Perchance AI. Then click the first link. Here, simply paste your prompt. You can create image prompts using ChatGPT. From here, you can select shape of your image, like landscape or portrait. I am using landscape. You can also change art style. So I will go with illustration and just hit Generate. Here are the results. You can see 6 different images and just look perfect. The quality is quite amazing. And you can also regenerate them. So I regenerate them, and again, the results are just amazing. All right, let's download these images. You can see this option below every image. Just click on this option below the image you want to download. And then click on Show Private Gallery. And from here, simply download all your saved images.
Go to your Chrome browser and search for Gentube AI. Then simply sign up with your Google account, and this interface will appear in front of you. Okay, from Setting, select your aspect ratio. Then paste your prompt and hit Generate. So here is the result. Look at the details. Each and everything just looks perfect and realistic. And from here, you can regenerate the image if you want. From here, you can change the image art style. Okay, now to download this image, first you have to add to profile. Now go to your profile and click the image, and from here, simply click Download.
If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on future tutorials.